So yeah, I thought I'd let you guys know what's going on with the two-door, with the coupe. I haven't really been transparent about this to any of my followers on Instagram or anywhere really. About a month ago, the coupe was involved in a minor accident on the road. Nothing crazy, but basically the radiator support needs to come out and the radiator needs replaced, and the frame needs to be straightened out just a touch on the right hand side where the fender sits. I'll just show you guys here in a second. So here's what we're looking at. Basically, I haven't been able to drive it because when the radiator mushed up against the exhaust manifold, it cut into one of the ground cables that comes off the alternator or somewhere, and the whole car just shut off instantly. So it lost power everywhere. And it hasn't started since then. I had it towed back here, and I've been kind of removing the damaged parts like the headlights and the fenders and as much of the radiator support as I can. But at this point, we're actually going to have to cut the radiator support out and weld a new one in. And I think what I'm going to do is while I'm in there, I might just pull the motor and trans out and have some fun with that. Maybe paint the engine bay. I really just want to go ham on this thing. I really do.